9th students. Today an application about how to use a system of two equations to solve word problems. Before solving any problem, take into consideration the following steps. Step 1. Read the problem carefully. Step 2. Reread the problem and define the variables. Step 3 is to write an equation that represents each situation. Step 4 is solve the system of two equations to find the unknown. Step 5 is to check your result and answer the problem. Let's start by a sample practice. Okay, first step is to read the problem carefully. The sum of two numbers is 30. One of them is double the other. Find these two numbers. Step 2. Define the variable. Let x be the first number and y be the second. Step 3 is that each situation represents an equation. So, let's start by the first situation, that the sum of these two numbers is 30. So, the equation is x plus y is equal to 30. The second situation is that one of them is double the other. Let x be the big one. So, one of them is double the other, gives that x is equal to 2y. Therefore, this is the first equation and x minus 2y equal to 0 is the second equation. So, my system of two equations for this exercise is x plus y equals 30 and x minus 2y equal to 0. Step 4. To solve this system, we can use the calculator. By using calculator, x equal 20 and y equal 10. Then the two numbers are 20 and 10. Let's check this result. 20 plus 10, okay, it's equal to 30, and 20 is the double of 10. Application 1. First part. By showing all the steps of calculation, solve this system. Then we cannot use a calculator to solve it, since we need to show all the steps of calculation. Second part is the problem. A bag contains 12 chocolate bars of two types M and T. The price of this bag is 22,000 Lebanese lira. Each bar of type M costs 1,500 Lebanese lira, and that of type T costs 2,000 Lebanese lira. First part is to prove that the previous information is modeled by the system in question 1. It means that this problem is defined by this system. Second part is to find the number of chocolate bars of each type. Third part in this application, if the price of a bar of chocolate of type M is increased by 20% and that of chocolate of type T is decreased by 10%, does the price of this bag change? Justify. The student here make a pause and it takes about 20 minutes to solve it. After 20 minutes, the solution of this application. First part, we need to solve this system by showing all the steps of calculation. We choose the elimination method or another method. So by elimination method consists to eliminate one of the two variables. Then by multiply the first equation by minus 3, we get minus 3x minus 3y is equal to minus 3x, and by adding the two last equation, we get y equal 8. Replace y by its values in the first equation, then we get x plus 8 equal 12, then x equal 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Therefore, the couple 4 and 8 is a solution of the given system. Second question is the problem. We have a bag containing 12 chocolate bars of two type M and T. The price of this bag is 22,000 Lebanese lira. Each bar of type M costs 1,500 Lebanese lira, and that of type T costs 2,000 Lebanese lira. The first part is to prove that the previous information is modeled by the system in question 1, and the second part is to find the number of chocolate bars of each type. Don't forget to choose the variable. Let x be the number of chocolate bar of type M, and let y be the number of chocolate bar of type T. Each situation in this problem gives an equation. The situation in blue color gives a bag contain 12 chocolate bar of two type M and T, gives the equation x plus y equal to 12. And the situation in green color, we have the price of this bag 22,000 Lebanese lira, and we know that each bar of type M cost 1,500 Lebanese lira. Then x of type M cost 1,500 x Lebanese lira, and we know that one of the type T costs 2,000, then y of the type T costs 2,000 y Lebanese lira, and the total price is 22,000 Lebanese lira. Then the second equation is 1,500x plus 2,000 y is equal to 22,000 Lebanese lira. Dividing by 500, we get 3x plus 4y is equal to 44. Then these two equations make the system. It's the same in the first part. Don't solve again this system. Take the result from the first part. We have x equal 4 and y equal 8. Therefore, the bag contains 4 chocolate bar of type M and 8 chocolate bar of type T. Third part, if the price of a bar of chocolate of type M is increased by 20% and that of chocolate of type T is decreased by 10%, does the price of this bag change? We need to find the new price of this bag after the variation on the prices of type M and type T. For this, let's find at first the new price of type M. The old price of type M is 1,500 Lebanese lira. Okay, then the new price of a bar of chocolate M after the variation is 1,500 times 1 plus 20 over 100 after increasing 20% is equal to 1,800 Lebanese lira. And the new price of a bar of a chocolate tea is the old price 2,000 times 1 minus 10 over 100 after decrease 10%, then its new price also equal to 1,800 Lebanese lira. This bag contains 4 of type M and 8 of type T. Then its price becomes 4 times the new price of the bag M, 4 times 1,800 Lebanese lira, plus 8 of type T times their new price, 8 times 1,800 Lebanese lira, is equal to 21,600 Lebanese lira. It's not equal to 22,000 Lebanese lira. Then yes, the price of the bag change.